Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a Dior unboxing, and I got this at Dior beauty website, and wow, I was totally blown away with the packaging. It looks so beautiful. Just the packaging itself, wow, it is amazing. The ribbon, oh my gosh. So the reason why I pointed that out, that's because I only paid $30 on this item. So anyway, this is the packaging. It is so beautiful. So let me show you what I got. Okay, this one has a blue ribbon. And are you guys ready to see what I got? Okay, let me just, okay, wow, very lovely. So that's pretty much it. And then, okay, so there's an envelope here, I believe. Okay, this is actually a note, a personalized message, and here comes, wow, this one has this, oh my gosh, the tissue paper right here with the Dior sticker. So yeah, let me just open it like this. Okay, wow, the packaging is amazing. Okay, here's what I got, and wow, so this is the Diorshow Iconic Overcurl set. It is a primer and a mascara. So there's two items right here. Okay, so here's the photo. Wow. I'm so excited for this because it's actually one of the Dior's most affordable item, and this is perfect for gifting, not just for Christmas. I think for any occasion though, birthdays, or it could be anything, because the price itself is highly affordable. This is priced as $29.50. That's before tax, and wow, it's amazing. So let me just open this. Okay, it looks like, okay, just to give you a closer look of how this one looks inside. So this is, I believe this is the serum, the primer, and then this is the mascara itself. So okay, so let me just, yeah, so these are the combo. I only use the Chanel, but I haven't really tried this one on. This is my very first mascara from Dior, and wow, look at the packaging. I am sold just with the packaging and with this one. My gosh. So this is the primer, and then this is the mascara. So yeah, the primer is actually smaller than the mascara itself, it seems like. Yeah, so anyway, so these are the overcurl set mascara. And then another good thing that that makes me want to buy this is because this one came in with the complimentary samples, and this is the sample. Oh my gosh, I was like, I can't contain myself of how I was like surprised with this packaging, guys, and the samples. So this is the complimentary samples. I think on the website you're allowed to add 2 samples. So here's what I got. The dust bag, it is lovely. Wow. So I got the Sauvage Eau de Parfum right here. Okay, and then Dior right here. So here are the two samples. Plus, I got this actually. I used the code HAPPY for this item, and it actually gave me this makeup pouch. This is the pouch, and this one is more likely an eye cream. So this is how it looks, the eye cream. So I use the code HAPPY to get this sample right here. It's so tiny, but it is just a sample. That's just how it is. So it is so cute. Oh my gosh. Plus, another thing is the makeup pouch. Wow. I could not believe that I got this for $29.50. Plus tax, I guess I paid around a little over $30, around $32. And wow, look at that. You could just literally put all the entire stuff inside and then gift it. So the inside is lined. I think this is wipeable though, because they are expecting you to put your makeup in here. So they figure that one out. And wow, very soft. And I think this is wipeable. And it's actually roomy though. You could put a lot of stuff in here. This and the interior is also black, which is perfect. So you're not going to be able to see those stains or anything like that. So basically, I would recommend, if you're using a makeup pouch, I would recommend that the interior, it would be like an advantage if you have the interior in black, so that you're not going to be able to see the stain. And it's so easy to clean though. Right there. So yeah, you could just literally put all the samples inside. Right here. Maybe the mascara. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Wow. So everything is inside. Oh my gosh. The pouch is actually made up of maybe a jacquard material. I'm not sure if this one is made up of nylon, but looking at it right now, feeling at it right now, it does seem to look like it is made with a high quality material. It is structured right here, and the zipper is in silver. And wow, I think this one is still available on the website, and you could still use the code HAPPY to be able to get all the goodies right here, and it is worth it. It is absolutely worth it. Definitely worth your money, because this beautiful makeup pouch, the complimentary samples, the packaging, the out of this world packaging, the personalized message right here, the complimentary shipping with the code, you will get more samples, and it is worth it. I mean, this is just for myself. I got this for myself because I wanted to try their mascara. And I'm already happy with Chanel, but I wanted to try the Dior ones. I mean, it is like so affordable, and I might order a couple more for gifts. I mean, I don't think this would expire. I'm not sure if this one has an expiration date, and this is actually perfect when you stock something for birthdays and for some special occasion. Definitely worth it. I would highly recommend it to everybody. And also, yeah, wow, I am totally blown away with the packaging, guys. I still can't get over of how beautiful this is. The quality, the material that they use, the samples, and on top of that, look at this. You would definitely gonna enjoy this beautiful box in here. Oh my gosh, it does seem to look like, if you're gifting this to somebody, it does seem to look like and make her feel like you are actually giving her a luxurious items that's like worth few $100s of items. But in fact, Yeah, it's less, it's around $30. Oh, the packaging is amazing. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.